going to start out with 1 round on the center target. Ready, fire. Ready, fire. Ready, fire. All right, left, right, center, fire. Right, left, center, fire. Left, sorry, center, left, right, fire. Center, right, left, fire. Center, right, right, left, fire.
Okay.
Left, right, center, fire. Right, left, center, fire. Left, left, right, right, center, fire. Center, left, right, left. Fire. Sorry. Oh, you're out. Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. All right, so everything's going to be a 2-round response this time.
Okay.
So it's always 2 shots. I'm just going to call out a direction and say fire. Okay? Load and make ready. All right. Come this way so you're on that center target a little better. All right, so here we go. Center, right, left, fire. Left, center, right, fire. Right, center, left, fire. Center, right, left, fire. Left, right, left, fire. All right, go ahead and drop your magazine. Leave the bolt to the rear and just let it hang. Pick up what you drop. Good job.
Thank you.
But I want to keep you thinking, so that's why I was changing up what order we shot everything and all that. Good, bad, indifferent on the steel. Everybody good with what we did?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anything you do different?
Yeah.
All right.
Good.
So let's back up to 25 and do the same thing.
I got to reload.
Chest.
back.
Shooter ready. Fire. Pretty easy, wasn't it?
I guess.
All right, like you give me one to center, left, and right.
One center, left, right.
Yep. Ready, fire. Not much work with that, huh? Let's go center, left, right.
Okay.
Fire. See how much faster that dot settles back down?
Yes, sir.
Left, right, center. Right, left, center.
Out.
Out. Okay, good job. So you see the difference in the
see the
transition of
difference.
your weight. Just that slight transition
Speeds it
forward
up.
of your weight, that dot doesn't move.
Gotcha. Thanks, sir.
Next. Okay, so we're just going to shoot 1 or 2 on the center, then I'll call out some left, right.
Okay.
You ready?
Ready, sir.
Give me 1 center. Shooter ready. Fire. Let's go again. Fire. Let me see that again.
Real low.
Something right.
Crazy low. 3 feet.
Yeah. So center, right, left. Left, center, right. Okay, so this time, let's turn your foot around, more like you're taking a natural step. And now lean that knee out over your toe. Close your feet a little bit closer together. Just like, no, closer together, like you're taking a normal step. Now point your hips at the target.
Okay.
Now if you look down, can you see the S on the top of my boot, and that's all? Now your weight's out over your foot,
Yeah.
if you can see
Yeah.
just my toe.
Just your toe now, yeah.
Yep. All right, go ahead and give that a shot. Let's go right, left, right.
Okay.
Ready, fire.
It's repetition, you know. You're just like none of us have ever done this before with this.
Left, center, right.
I want to come out here and
Center, right, right.
coming out of there with some velocity.